హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, నేను మీ రాజేష్ దుందులా. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 8.1 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ నేర్చుకుందాం. ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, ఇన్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఏబిసి రైట్ యాంగిల్ లెట్ బి ఏబి ఈక్వల్స్ టు 24 సెంటీమీటర్, బీసీ ఈక్వల్ టు 7 సెంటీమీటర్. డిటర్మైన్ sin A cos A, sin C cos C. Here clearly given that right angle let B. Right angle at B. So this is the hypotenuse. Okay, AB 24, BC 7. Now find the AC. Applying Pythagoras theorem. Okay, solution. Pythagoras theorem. Apply Pythagoras theorem. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AB what? 24 whole square plus 7 whole square. Okay, 24 whole square 576, 7 whole square 49. Okay, 625. AC square equal to 625. AC equal to root of 625, 25 centimeter. So AC value 25 centimeter. First find the sin A. First one what? Sin A. Sin A means side opposite to angle A. Side opposite to angle A what? BC. BC by hypotenuse. BC by hypotenuse AC. BC what? 7. Hypotenuse 25. 7 by 25. Second one, cos A. Cos A means adjacent side by hypotenuse. AB by AC. AB by AC. AB what? 24 by AC 25. Next second one, sin C. Sin C means this is the angle. Now this is the opposite side. This is the hypotenuse. So AB by AC. C का opposite side చూసుకోవాలి. AB by hypotenuse change అవుతుంది AC. So 24 by 25. Next cos C. Cos C means adjacent side. BC by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse what? AC. So BC what? 7. Hypotenuse what? 25. So 7 by 25. Sin A value cos C కి వచ్చింది, cos A వాల్యూ sin C కి వచ్చేసింది. ఓకేనా? సెకండ్ ప్రాబ్లం, ఇన్ ఫిగర్ ఫైండ్ tan P minus cot R. PQ 12 ఇచ్చారు, PR 13 ఇచ్చారు. QR ఎప్పుడైతే ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేద్దాం. నౌ ఫైండ్ ద QR వాల్యూ బై పైథాగరస్ థియరం. సొల్యూషన్. ఓకే, వాట్ QR? QR equal to square root of PR square minus PQ square. PR square minus PQ square, that equals to root of PR square what? 13 square minus 12 square. 169 minus 144 square root of root 25. Root 25 value 5. So 5 centimeter. Now find tan P minus cot R. Tan P minus cot R equals to tan P what? Tan P. Okay, opposite side by adjacent side. So QR by PQ minus cot R. Cot R. Cot అంటే adjacent side by ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్. అంటే ఏమైంది? QR బై PQ అవుతుంది. సో బోత్ ఆర్ సేమ్. సో QR బై PQ 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12, that equals to 0. Tan P minus cot R value 0. Okay. Third problem, if sin A equals to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. Calculate cos A and tan A. Okay, so sin A means opposite side by hypotenuse. So 3, this one 4. Now find the AB. Now find the AB. AB equals to square root of AC square minus BC square. AC square minus BC square. That equals to root of 4 square minus 3 square. 4 square value 16, 3 square value 9. So root 16 minus 9, 7. Root 16 minus 9, 7. So AB value root 7. Okay, AB value what amma? Root 7. Now find cos A and tan A. First find the cos A. Cos A means adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side what amma? AB. Hypotenuse what? AC. AB by AC. Root 7 by 4. Next what amma? Tan A. Tan A. Opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side BC. Adjacent side AB. BC by AB, 3 by root 7. So cos A value root 7 by 4, tan A value 3 by root 7. Given 15 cot A equal to 8. Find sin A and sec A. Okay. First write the given information. 15 cot A equals to 8. Cot A equals to 8 by 15. Cot A equals to 8 by 15. So cot A means adjacent side by opposite side. So 8 by 15. Now find the AC value. AC means hypotenuse. AC equal to square root of AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. So 8 square plus 15 square. 8 square value 16. 15 square value 225. So 289. Root of 289. That equals to 17. AC value what amma? 17. Now find sin A and sec A. Sin A. First write sin A. Sin A means opposite side by hypotenuse. BC by AC. BC by AC. BC means 15. AC means 17. So 15 by 17. Next what amma? Sec A. Secant A. Secant A equals to hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse what? AC. Adjacent side what? AB. Okay. AC by AB. What amma? AC by AB. 17 by 8. 17 by 8. Okay. Given sec theta equals to 13 by 12. Calculate all other trigonometric ratios. What amma? Secant theta equals to 13 by 12. Given information what? Secant theta equals to 13 by 12. Sec theta means hypotenuse by adjacent side. So 13 by 12. Find or calculate other trigonometric ratios. First find the BC value, after calculate the trigonometric ratios. BC equal to square root of AC square minus AB square. 13 square minus 12 square. 169 minus 144. So 25. Root 25. So 5 centimeter. BC value 5 centimeter. So 5 is the BC value. Now find the sin theta. Sin theta. Theta means What about BC by AC? BC by AC. BC by AC. BC is 5. AC is 13. Next, cos theta. Cos theta means adjacent side by hypotenuse. So adjacent side AB, hypotenuse AC. So AB by AC. AB what? 12. 12 by 13. Next, tan theta. Tan means opposite side by adjacent side. So BC by AB. BC what 5 by AB 12. Next, cosec theta. Cosec means hypotenuse by opposite side. So AC by opposite side BC. Okay, 13 by 5. Already given sec theta value. Okay, remaining cot theta. Cot theta means cot theta value what amma? Cot theta ante adjacent side by opposite side. So AB by adjacent side AB, opposite side BC. AB by BC. So 12 by 5. 12 by 5. AB value 12, BC value 5. So these all are other trigonometric ratios. Sin theta 5 by 13, cos theta 12 by 13, tan theta 5 by 12, cosec theta 13 by 5, cot theta value 12 by 5. Sixth problem. If angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A equal to cos B, then show that angle A equal to angle B. Okay, this is a right angle triangle. Okay, A and B are acute angles. These two angles are acute angles, so this is right angle triangle. So angle C is right angle. A and B are acute angles. C is a right angle. Okay, and given cos A equal to cos B. Right. Solution. First, given information cos A equal to cos B. Cos A means adjacent side by hypotenuse. What amma? Cos A adjacent side AC, hypotenuse AB. AC by AB equals to cos B. Cos B means adjacent side to B. BC, hypotenuse AB. So BC by AB. AB cancel. AC equals to BC. AC equal to BC. AC equal to BC. Okay. AC equal to BC means therefore triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Okay. In isosceles triangle, okay now, equal sides opposite angles are equal. So BC opposite angle A, AC opposite angle B. Okay, therefore angle A equals to angle B. Here show that angle A equal to angle B. BC opposite angle A, AC opposite angle B. So BC equal to AC, BC opposite angle A, AC opposite angle B. So angle A equal to angle B. Seventh problem. If cot theta equals to 7 by 8, evaluate 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Okay, 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Given cot theta 7 by 8, theta. Cot means adjacent side by opposite side. So 7 by 8. 7 by 8. Now find the AC value, apply Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem, solution, right, hypotenuse AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So AB square, AB what amma? 7. 7 square plus 8 square. 7 square value 49. 8 square value 64. So AC square equal to 49 plus 64, 130. That implies AC equals to root of 130. 49, 64, 113, root of 113. Okay, root 113. Now here asked first one, 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, that equals to 1 plus sin theta value, opposite side by hypotenuse. So 1 plus 8 by root 113 into 1 minus 8 by root 113. Okay, by 1 plus cos theta. So 1 plus cos theta means 7 by root of 113 into 1 minus 7 by root 113. A plus b into a minus b. ఏమవుతుంది? a square minus b square. అంటే 1 square అంటే 1 minus 8 square అంటే 64 by root 113 అంటే 113 by 1 square means 1 minus 7 square. 7 square means 49. 49 by 113, that equals to 113 once, 113 minus 64 by 113 by 113 minus 49 by 113. 113 113 cancel. 113 minus 64, 49 by 113 minus 49, 64. So answer 49 by 64. Second one what amma? Cot square theta. Second one cot square theta. Already given information cot theta ne. So cot square theta ante 7 by 8 whole square. 7 by 8 whole square. 7 square 49. 8 square 64. So cot square theta value 49 by 64. 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta kuda 49 by 64. Okay. So 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta equal to cot square theta. Therefore 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta equals to cot square theta. Okay, 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, cot square theta value సేమ్ కాబట్టి ఈ రెండు ఈక్వల్ అని చెప్పి రాసుకున్నాం. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, నా వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, మీ మిత్రులకు షేర్ చేయండి. ఇంకా నా ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయకపోతే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.